It is 7 o'clock. Time to start.
Good morning. The sky is very clear.
I am awake now. I feel happy. I am still a bit sleepy. I must clean my teeth first. Do not forget the toothpaste, Mike. The water is very cold.
My hands are very dry now.
Hugo. I will wear my gray shirt today. I am dressing for work.
Oh, I can tie my own laces. I like my new denim jacket.
Let's eat breakfast together. The porridge smells delicious.
I want 2 pieces of toast.
Is the food ready? Is the food ready?
Drink your juice, children.
I am pouring the milk now. This cereal is very crunchy.
Can you read this word?
A-P-P-L-E. Apple.
That is correct. Good job.
This meal is very tasty.
Look! A tiny bird is outside. It is singing a song. Oh no! I made a mess.
It is okay. I will clean it. I am finished with breakfast.
We must go in 10 minutes.
My bag is very heavy today.
I have my pens and books.
My pencil is very sharp now.
I cannot find my other shoe.
There it is. It is hiding.
Hello. I have the house keys.
The air feels very fresh.
Lock the door, Nova.
Put your bags in the back.
Oh!
The car is ready to go.
I am safe in my seat.
I can see clearly now. Eyes now look clearly now.
Look at the big yellow bus.
We must wait for the children.
There is my friend, Leo.
Now we can move.
We must hurry. It is late.
Goodbye, Mom. See you later. I am ready for English class. English class. Where is my pencil? Today we learn new verbs.
Have a great day, Creasy. Har.
Bye bye.
My locker is number 42.
I feel very confident. This lesson is very interesting.
I am almost at my job. The lobby is very big.
I have many emails to read.
I am working hard today.
I am very thirsty now.
It is a very bright morning. I am ready for my shift. Oh, well, great.
I need my heavy hammer. Whew.
Be careful with your fingers.
Oh, oh-ho, oh-ho. I love fresh fruit.
School is over for today.
How was your day, Mike?
I learned 10 new words.
I am ready to go home.
We are back at our house.
I am very exhausted now.
Let's have a warm snack. Whew.
I am happy to see my family.
What a wonderful English day.
We love learning every day.